Hi guys. Started working on the mid-section of the Tamiya m02 for the Steve OD build-off. And I've literally gone through 4 iterations before I got to something I really wanted. So let me show you. Okay, so number 1 was simply a box mounted on the front and rear chassis sections. And this didn't work for the underneath of the truck, so it just didn't fit at all. As you can see, there's some adjustments to make, but I just decided to eliminate this altogether. Then I went with actually these ones, basically 2 sections, a battery going in between. I found that the full size 7.4 battery didn't fit so well, so I said, okay, let me redesign it again. And I needed to bring this down a little bit more to clear it for the interior of the body. So these guys, as you can see, I lowered this section here, made room for a smaller battery pack like so. Since it's just a show truck and that, I don't really need a huge battery. And besides, this will like save on the weight because the body is probably much heavier than the standard m02 body that would go on here. But again, these needed to be reworked again. The battery compartment here was too tight, so I had to fix that. I increased the hole size here so that the 4mm screws would fit properly. And that leaves us with this iteration. So as you can see, much more room to put electronics over here. This section here pretty much clears the underneath of the body, of the interior of the body, and everything seems to fit perfectly. The wheelbase comes to exactly what I need it to. I still need to work on securing the servo in there. It's pretty tight, but it still needs to be set because it moves up and down a little bit. But all in all, I think it's come together pretty good. Right now I'm working on the Stealth body mounts, which is going to mount at the same place as this. And when I made this truck, when I modified this body to fit on the crawler, I set it up with some Stealth body mounts. So basically reverse body mounts that the little body clips go into, but underneath the truck. So obviously I have to fix that up in the front. I really like these Tamiya OZ racing wheels. This one's the really flush offset. This one gives it a little bit more of a deeper look. You can mount these wheels on either side. As you can see here, more flush, a deeper mounting system. But it's still not enough. I was going to modify the wheels, but I think I'm going to leave them as is. What I'm looking for, if you have access to, quickly maybe, because I don't really have a lot of time, is I need 4 TG10 rear wheel axles. If anybody has some TG10 rear wheel axles, which are longer than these, that would definitely increase my offset, because I'm missing about maybe 5 to 6 millimeters on either side in order for it to be nicely mounted under the in the wheel well. So yeah, so I'm looking for those, and still got a bunch of work to do before this is complete. So let's get back to work.